Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the Haven1 airdrop. I'm going to be giving you guys the latest update currently about the Haven1 airdrop. Sometimes ago last year, I talked about this project so many times. Okay, I gave you guys this project and I guided you guys on how you can be able to participate on that, and everything that you needed were actually provided for you back then when this airdrop was actually starting. All right, so I gave you guys even a video guide on how to do everything, but currently now it is time for you to check if you actually applied everything properly or if you qualified for the airdrop, guys. So today they made the announcement that the airdrop checker is now live right here on their Twitter account. They made the announcement that they have one airdrop checker is now live, and now it is time for you to view your reward. One will be officially listed on KuCoin on the 22nd of April. Okay, on the 22nd of April, which is just a couple of days from now, it is going to be listed on KuCoin and some other exchange. So right now guys, on this video we are going to be checking if we actually qualified for the airdrop. All right, so welcome to the channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I teach you how you can be able to make money for free in the crypto space, and I guide you on airdrop that we are participating on, and I keep you updated regularly via our Telegram channel. So if you are not yet on our Telegram channel, use the link on the video description to actually join our Telegram channel so that you'll be updated regularly. Also, do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. With that being said guys, let's now continue. So to be able to check if you qualified for the Haven1 airdrop, the link to the website is going to be there on the video description. So you go ahead and click on this link right now. You are going to be taken to your browser. Let me open it up on my browser. Okay, so this is how it's going to be looking like, guys, and over here guys, this is what you need to do. We are going to be checking if we're going to be if we qualified for the airdrop, but first we need to connect our wallet. I will click on connect right now. Then you make sure that the wallet you are connecting is the same wallet that you used on the airdrop while we were interacting with you. So I will select MetaMask. Okay, and I'm popping up right now. I need to click on connect to actually connect my wallet. All right, so when my wallet is now connected, then we are now in the website fully. Right now let's check if we were actually eligible for the airdrop. Let's check our eligibility for the Haven1 airdrop, guys. So I will click on check eligibility right now. Okay, and over here guys, you can see congratulations, you are eligible for the Haven1 token airdrop. All right, so over here guys, you can see this is my initial liquidity. I got about 112 right here, and I got 393 right here. All right, so this is clearly very small compared to what other people out there got. And you know, people who have all their full time to, you know, participate on all this airdrop are the people that are actually going to be earning the most out of it. All right, so this is how simple it is. But one thing you need to take note of right here is that this is your actual location. But if you have any question about this, let me have it right there on the comment section. And over here guys, you can see claiming is going to be starting in 3 days and 22 hours. All right, so this is what you need to do right now. If you didn't qualify for this, do not panic. More good airdrop are coming your way this season. All you have to do right now is simply make sure that you are locked in, make sure you're following the channel back to back, as I'll be dropping all the important update for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next video dropping very soon.